So what's up guys, Linda, California, April 6th, 2021, and it's the litter of champion Panda and Alabai Tibul. 4 pups over there, one female, she's with natural ears and tail, and 3 males. This is a dad, Tibul, this is his copy, very nice puppy. Yeah guys, all pups are spoken for. This guy will go to New Mexico. This guy will stay in California. This lady will go to, I think it's Connecticut. Nice lady. And this fawn and white guy will go to Arizona. So check it out. Beautiful pups. This guy is getting more and more freckles. Will be very unique color, like his dad, just different colors of spots. Panda, yeah, mom is just tired of pups. Very nice pups. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.